daughter had a physical altercation with a fellow student. Yeah, the phone. Your mother wants to talk to you. Hello? Girl, you better talk. I got into a fight with Cynthia. This same girl will call me with one Johnny Bravo? Yes. What? Yup. You win? Yup. And this time, I ain't lying. Alright! Yes! That me like fear. Alright, calm down, calm down. Don't get too excited in front of your principal. Give principal back your phone. Here you go. Yes, hello? Who was in control of the situation? Your daughter did seem to have the upper hand in the situation. She interrupted! She finally boxed down her ass. Excuse me? I was talking to a neighbor. Okay, well, as I was saying, we do not condone physical violence at the... Understand that, principal. But that little girl there, she is out of order. That little girl always troubling my daughter. The little girl bully me. The little girl called me with one Johnny Bravo. What is that? Tell me that, I'll show you the picture. Show me a picture of a Johnny Bravo? This is him. Damn! Yeah, she diss me wicked, all my spirit, bro. Till this day, that still haunt me. I have to go out and buy a new wig. I can see why you're upset, man. I'm gonna have to talk to Cynthia's parents. Go back to class. Later. Stay in touch. Hey, Johnny Bravo, my ass.